Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to add and set up a social bar on your mobile Wix website. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. To switch to the mobile view, simply click on the mobile icon located in the top toolbar. This will allow you to see how your website appears on mobile devices. Next, on the left menu, click on Add to Mobile. Here, you will find the options for social. Tap on it to add the social bar to your mobile web page. The social bar is a great way to showcase your social media presence and make it easier for your mobile visitors to connect with you on various social platforms. To add social media icons, just drag and drop them onto the bar. Once you have added the icons, you can customize the layout to make it fit your design preferences. You can resize the icons or adjust their positioning by clicking on Layout and making the desired changes. By making it easy for your mobile users to access your social media accounts, you can foster better connections and build a stronger online presence for your business. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.